Them legalize marijuana.
How do you do? My name is Stuart Richland. I've been a lawyer here in Southern California for 24 years, and when it comes to medical marijuana dispensary law, there's really no one else that has the experience that I do. I've represented in excess of 200 of the centers. Let me answer the question that's on everybody's lips, which is how to open a medical marijuana dispensary. The answer is really relatively simple as long as you have reasonable counsel that know the ins and outs. One of the important things is your entity formation. Another important thing is education, counseling, and training of you and the other officers and directors, as well as interfacing personally with your accountant. Also, you want to be in with someone for purposes of guidance in terms of local law, what city councils and cities are apt to do, and city law enforcement, and state law, someone who has dealt in state court, someone who has dealt in hearings with reference to this topic, to seeing how judges and how city council members, etc., will act and react with reference to medical marijuana law. And someone who's expert with reference to federal law, which of course at this time still prohibits medical marijuana. So you need to have an attorney to guide you through the conflict. That is what I do for a living. I have focused on medical marijuana law for the benefit of the patients here in the state of California, and it will be my honor to represent you as well. I've actually created a system that allows you to get a lot of information from my website, and then that brings you into my office, where our package of right now about $4,000 gets you 2.5 hours of one-on-one consultation with me. That includes time to discuss medical marijuana law, to discuss the operation of your corporation in depth, and to consult with your accountant or CPA. In addition, I've made my firm available to all of the clients that I have helped with their corporate work on such things as city council hearings and lawsuits with reference to rights, injunctions, etc., to compel cities and counties to acknowledge the rights of medical marijuana collectives. Those services are available to my clients, and one of the ways to get into our world of our clients is to have a properly formed nonprofit and know how to run it. I only would want to be involved with legitimate people, and I know you'd only want to be involved with a legitimate attorney. So strict compliance is what our law firm is all about. Since the federal Attorney General's instruction letter to the attorneys of the Justice Department states that those Justice Department attorneys are supposed to stand down or make a low priority of any kind of enforcement against patients who are exercising their rights under clear and unambiguous conduct that is protected by the state medical marijuana laws, it's very important that your participation in state medical marijuana law be absolutely perfectly compliant. I'd be honored to help you make that a reality. It's very simple. Just get to my website, 420lawoffice.com, and go to the page that's called How to Start a Medical Marijuana Dispensary, and review the other pages for information. You'll see that I also have an hour-long talk, and that talk is every Thursday night, and it's at 8:30 p.m. Pacific time. It is about California law, and you're welcome to join it. You can find out the details on the website. All right. Well, take good care. Bye now.
Them legalize marijuana.